You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? Ice cream! 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 All right, what are we doing, Maddox?
We're going to get some ice cream.
So ice cream?
Yeah. We're getting Coconelli.
We're on a secret mission to get some ice cream. Here you go.
Oh yeah, ice cream. I'll just get that. See if we can find them. I hope we find them so we can get ice cream. I like how I said it. Ice cream. He's over there. Go that direction. What? Stop. See if you can hear him. He's that way. Which way did he go? He might have went over there or here. How do you know he went this way?
I don't. We're gonna go see. There he is.
Oh, hurry up, go fast! Go! There's the Coconelli truck. Hurry up, I see him. Blue.
We found him.
Oh, he stopped, he
Now
stopped.
it's ice cream.
Yeah, it's the Coconelli truck. Oh, yeah. There he is.
Say yay, grand success. Want your ice cream? Here, Leighton. Here's the bomb pop. Truck? Cool, huh?
We're going to MG. We're going to MG. We're going to MG. We're going to MG. We're going to downhill. We're going. That good. That good. Wait. That good. Wait. Yeah.
Are you recording? Are you recording? Are you recording, Mr. Maddox? Yeah.
Anyway,
What is this?
Anyways, it wasn't called the Nelly, but this is a popsicle truck.
Popsicle truck.
Everybody likes popsicles. No,
Alright guys, that was a short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll have some more MGB action for you. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.